Na wadau kutoka maeneo mbalimbali ya ukanda huu wamekusanyika katika shule ya serikali ya Kenya kwa ajili ya mkutano wa 5 wa kikanda wa utafiti unaolenga kujadili nafasi ya usimamizi bora wa ardhi katika kukuza maendeleo endelevu ya uchumi wa kitaifa. Mkutano huo unawaleta pamoja watafiti, watunga sera na wadau wengine muhimu kujadili maswala yanayohusu usimamizi wa ardhi, sera pamoja na mageuzi katika sekta ya ardhi. Hebu tusikilize kinachoendelea.
My fellow commissioners who are here, and our time is coming, let me invite some of the individuals that are here in front of me. I'll start with the representative from the Principal Secretary, Basic Education, Ms. Lillian, welcome. Of course, my colleague, Dr. Amani Yuda Komora, Chairman, Police Service Commission. Of course, colleagues again, commissioners of the National Land Commission, Ms. Kabale Tache, CEO, NLC, Professor Noura Mohammed, Director General of Kenya School of Government. You have mentioned the things that are out there and the tea, so take that serious. This is a very beautiful campus. Make sure you actually breathe the air here. Dr. Emmanuel Kombe Nzai, welcome, Chairman Vision, Kenya Vision 2030 Delivery Board. Ms. Farai Constance Zimudzi, FAO representative, first time to see you, although I have seen the support you have directed to NLC. Representatives from partners institutions and representatives from the academia, research universities, and the rest of the institutions, thanks for coming here. And I am sure I've forgotten some people right in front of me, but welcome, Deputy Governor. Na nyote mnakaribishwa. That is Swahili for you are all welcome. Lastly but not least, other invited guests, researchers, scholars, policymakers, practitioners, development partners, representatives of the private sectors and civil society. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Assalamu alaikum. Hamjambo. Aya. I'm delighted to join fellow commissioners and the CEO in welcoming you to the 5th Regional Research Conference. It is indeed an honor and a pleasure to be among distinguished guests, eminent researchers and scholars gathered here for this auspicious occasion. And before I move further, I would like to let the commissioners, you are also the chief hosts here, so as opposed to staying in the background, please come in front. And it's a new commission and they have not been seen much. They are always in the field. And I would like for you to come up here and introduce yourself, at least substantively, with a minute of what we are doing here. Karibuni. Over by the new commission. It is Madam Esther, Waziri Esther. She is finishing her term soon. It's her last, but this is our first. I wish to commend our predecessors together with the dedicated secretariat team led by the CEO for their commitment and for consistency, ensuring that this important annual event is held without fail. I cannot forget the partners who have been very instrumental in their support to this work. Research is very expensive. Joroge, I can see you. Thanks for the speech from your CEO. And I am happy for the support that you are giving NLC and the rest of the partners. You are doing an excellent work. Sometimes we don't get good support from treasury regarding research. Research is sometimes the first thing to go if the monies are not enough, but with your support we have been able to continue consistently. This is the 5th year, and it's not only a Kenyan research gig, it is something going to the region. Thank you, Madam Esther Murugi. You have been the bedrock, you have been the backbone of this, and your efforts have established the Regional Research Conference as an important platform for advancing research, knowledge sharing, and dialogue on emerging issues in land, governance, and sustainable national development. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, as you are all aware, land is a critical factor of production and foundation for every major activity, including infrastructure.
Na mtazamaji, ni mkutano wa kikanda wa ardhi ambao unalenga utafiti lakini pia usimamizi bora wa ardhi. Kumbuka unafanyika katika taasisi ya Kenya School of Government hapa Nairobi. Kwa taarifa hiyo pia utaniruhusu nipate pumziko fupi. Tukirejea tutakuwa tunazungumza mengi zaidi kutokana pia na taarifa ambazo tumeziandaa hapa KTN. Usiende mbali.